Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will see how you can use the BOQ Magic Tool after it has been updated to export the BOQ directly to Primavera. Let us start with our example to see how it's very fast and easy to export the BOQ to Primavera. Let us start with this example. This is our BOQ. It has some divisions, and we will start with the BOQ to collect all of these divisions in one general table. These are the headers of this BOQ, and now the BOQ Magic Tool will collect all tables in one general table. Let us see this table. This is the general table of this BOQ, and all you need is to select three columns. One column for the activity ID, and the other for the activity descriptions, and the third column for the BOQ price. You can use any three columns from the general table. This column is prepared by the BOQ Magic Tool, and you can use it as activity ID, and then you can use the description as activity name, and the third column will be the total price of this BOQ. You can modify any of these items before you send this BOQ to Primavera, and if you have time we will explain some points about how you can modify these items in the second example. Now we will select this general table, and for the activity ID this is our column, and for the activity name or activity description this is our column, and the last column for the price of this BOQ. Let us export the project to Primavera. We will go to Primavera. This is the database. It has no projects, and we will import this project to Primavera. Let us search for this file. This is our file. This is our project, and now let us import it. As you see, in a few seconds we have the project in Primavera. These are the activities of this BOQ directly to Primavera, and this is the sum of this project. We will check this in Excel. As you see, it has the same total, and in the BOQ itself it has the same total. This was very fast example about how you can use the BOQ to export the records of the BOQ as activities directly to Primavera. We will, if you have time, you can complete this video to see some points about another example. Let us first close this BOQ, and now we will select another BOQs. This is the second example. Open. We have these divisions in this BOQ, and now we will explain some other points about this tool. In this example we will select some divisions of the BOQ instead of all divisions. You can use this option to collect all divisions, but in this option you can select some divisions, and you can prepare some tables or some general tables by selecting these divisions. We can select these divisions, for example, to prepare the general table only for these 6 divisions. Okay, and now the BOQ will start to collect these tables in one general table. As you see, this is our general table, and now all you need is to select the 3 columns to export the file to Primavera. We will explain some points here in this table. For the yellow items, if you will use this column to export it to Primavera, you need to complete this missing data in the yellow cells, and you can also modify the prices. You can multiply all of these prices by any factor to export only the cost instead of the prices. And also the BOQ will add some extra descriptions from the BOQ at the end of this table, and you can modify these descriptions. And also you can collect more than one item in only one item, and also you can divide any item of this BOQ into 3 or 4 items according your needs. After you finish with these modifications, you can select 3 columns from the BOQ Magic Tool. Now we will start with this some BOQ records. As you see, if we collect all of these tables, we will have 2 general tables, one for all divisions and the other for the selected divisions. And we can select any of them. As you see here, we have now 2 general tables, one for all records and the other for the selected records. We will start with this example, and now we will select number as activity ID and the description for the activity name or activity descriptions, and the SR for the total. Export the file to Primavera. It takes a few seconds to prepare the BOQ and then export it to Primavera. This is our second project. Before we import it to Primavera, another general note: you can use this option to renumber the BOQ. As you see, we have here this general table. If I merge or collect more than one item in one item, or if I delete any of these items, I can renumber this column by selecting this option. Now we'll go to Primavera and export this BOQ. We'll import the second example. Let us select our project. This is our project. Now next, let us select our project. This is our project. Okay, next, and then finish. As you see, the project has been exported to Primavera, and now we have our project here, and these are the activities of this project. And for the first project, and let us check the value. This is the value of this second project. Let us check this value in Excel. As you see, this is the same value, and also on the summary of the BOQ, this is the same value. As you see, it's very easy to export the BOQ from the Excel to Primavera, and the most of steps can be done automatically by the BOQ Magic Tool. Until we meet in the next videos, thank you and goodbye.